In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the website name in Webflow. Let's get started right from the Webflow dashboard. First, log into your Webflow account using your usual credentials. After you sign in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where all of your projects and sites are listed. Take a moment to locate the specific site whose name you want to change. This will usually appear as a card or tile with a preview image and the current name of the project. When you hover your mouse over that site card, you'll notice a small gear icon appear in the top right corner of that card. This gear icon represents the site settings. Move your mouse over to that icon and click it. That click is going to open up the detailed settings page for that particular site. Once you're inside the site settings, Webflow will usually place you in the General tab by default. If, for any reason, you're not there, simply look for the General section at the top and make sure it's selected. The General Settings area is where Webflow stores the basic information about your site, including its name. At the top portion of this General tab, you'll see a field labeled Name. In that box, you'll see your current site name. This is the name that shows up in your dashboard and helps you identify the project. Click into that field, delete or update the existing text, and type in the new name you want to use. Try to choose something clear and descriptive, especially if you manage multiple sites, so you can easily find it later. Once you're happy with the new name, look toward the upper right area of this General Settings section for the Save button. Click Save to confirm your changes. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, Webflow won't remember the new name you entered. After saving, you'll want to publish the site so that everything is fully updated and consistent. Still in the site settings, look to the top right corner of the page for the Publish button. Click Publish, then confirm if Webflow asks you which domains to publish to. Publishing makes sure that any changes are properly pushed live and that your project is fully up to date. And that's it. You've successfully changed your website name in Webflow by going through your dashboard, opening the site settings, editing the name in the General tab, saving your changes, and then publishing your site.